Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic that affects many pregnant women worldwide, gestational glucose intolerance. So let's dive right in. Gestational glucose intolerance, also known as GDM, is a temporary form of diabetes that occurs during pregnancy. It affects approximately 10% of pregnant women in the US. The exact cause is unknown, but the prevailing theory is that the placenta produces hormones that block the mother's ability to use insulin effectively. Insulin is a hormone that the body needs to convert glucose or sugar into energy that the body's cells can use. As the pregnancy continues, the placenta grows and produces more and more of these hormones. The result is that glucose builds up in the blood rather than being used by the mother's and fetus cells. Now, you might be wondering, who is at risk of gestational diabetes? Factors include women who have had gestational diabetes in the past, women with obesity, and women with a family history of diabetes or prediabetes. In the US, every woman is tested for gestational diabetes between weeks 24 and 28 of gestation using an oral glucose tolerance test. For pregnant women in a high risk group, testing should be done as early as possible, often in the first trimester. The main goal of treatment is to keep the fetus from growing too large, which can harm both the mother and the baby. Patients will need to change how they eat and learn to monitor their blood sugar levels. In some cases, a patient may need to self-administer insulin injections or take oral medication. It is important to note that gestational glucose intolerance is not just a concern during pregnancy. Research has shown that it confers an increased risk of future diabetes as well. So, it's crucial to manage this condition effectively during pregnancy to prevent long-term health issues. So, that's all for today's video on gestational glucose intolerance. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember, if you have any concerns about your health during pregnancy, always consult with your doctor. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. Stay healthy and see you in the next one. Bye bye.